Welcome to our Valorant tutorial. In just a minute, you'll learn how to use Crosshair codes effectively. Crosshair codes allow for personalized aiming styles. Let's dive into the customization options. To use a Crosshair code, first, head to the settings. Click on Crosshair to explore the options. You'll see a box to input codes. Enter your desired code here. For example, try H3S5-0. After entering the code, don't forget to save your settings. Now you're ready to test it out. Enjoy improved accuracy in your gameplay as your new Crosshair enhances your aiming skills. Remember, experimentation is key. Try different codes to find what suits you best. Also, keep your Crosshair updated as you progress. What works now may change later. Join the community forums for more ideas on Crosshair codes. Connect with other players. Focus, practice, and watch your skills soar. Your perfect Crosshair awaits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and tricks. We hope this tutorial helps you conquer the battlefield in Valorant.